guys, welcome back to Caribbean Fleek, and today I'll be showing you how to get these eyes done. And this is very different from my other videos I usually make on my channel, so yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my eyebrows done. So yeah, since this is like a super easy eyeshadow look, but just kind of like looks like wow, right? I'm going to kind of do like a talk through. I'm going to pick up this red right here. So I'm using this brush from the Modern Renaissance palette. So I'll be laying this color right here on my eye. Didn't pick up a lot of color because I'm not using no other transition shade. So yeah. So my one and only friend will be moving to, what'd she say, Minnesota? And yeah, I'm kind of sad about that. Like really sad. So now I'm going to do the same with my other eye. And sorry for being like super zoomed in, but I kind of like for you guys to see what I'm doing. Yeah, so give it a like if you guys do like it, and leave me a comment down below so that I know. I'm not really bringing it down so much, like I'm not worrying about it because I'm just gonna put black in there. And you guys, you can recreate this look with any red and black color you guys have. You guys don't necessarily have to buy these palettes that I'm using. It's just, this is what I have and this is what I'm working with. And yeah, and I'm going to do more videos, so expect for me to be using all the palettes that I own more, because girl, there's a lot of new palettes coming out, and it's like, well, what happens to the old ones? Like I don't have money to be buying all the new stuff. Like I just bought my electric palette, and now Huda has released like 3 more palettes, and I'm like, girl, I just bought it. Yeah, just I would like to know if how long can you guys stand me, like if you would like for my videos to be like 10 minutes long, right there, 10 minutes. And I really prefer for my videos to be around 10 minutes, because if I try to make them in less amount of time, I feel like I don't give you guys enough details. I mean, if I would love to make like 20-minute long videos. This actually looks really nice. Like, I know you're probably like, whoa girl, you only got red on your eyes, but yeah, if you actually do a cut crease over here, and do a cut crease like this, like zzz, and then maybe put like a lighter color in here, that would look stunning too. If you want for me to try that on another video, just let me know down below. I'd be glad to do that. So I'm just going to grab this fluffy brush, and I'm actually going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use this color. This is called Abyss. It's this one right here, and this is the color that I'll be using to lay it down over here. And I'm basically just going to let it lay down and blend it out like that. Just for now, I'm just tapping it in there. And then I'm moving it across my eyelid. Just tapping it. And so, because I already did my foundation and everything, I'm avoiding this part of my eye. So when I'm getting close to the bottom of the eye, I'm actually leaving my eye open like this. Or else you're gonna get black right here. So yeah, you don't necessarily have to use these palettes. You can use any other palette, and then just just grab a black eyeshadow and a red one, and you'll be good. You guys let me know, because I don't know if it's just me and my lighting, but this just looks like, to me it looks like it's pink. So after you apply the black, intimidating black in there, you want to blend it out. So since I'm not gonna use the red no more on this brush, I'm just going to use this brush to blend this out over here. And that's basically it. Now I'm going to do the same thing with my other eye. Okay, so I'm going to blend it out. It would probably be smart to go in with a smaller one. I'm just gonna grab this smaller brush and just gonna do the inner corner. That's what I should have done since the beginning. There you go. Okay. So now I'm going to line my waterline over here, but I'm just gonna do half. I'm going to stop right there. Okay. Every time I'm going to record, it's like my whole makeup plays hide and seek with me. So I'm going to wear these. And they're a little wild looking, but whatever. Wow. I'm going to do a close-up of what these lashes, I forgot to mention they're from Shop Miss A, so they only cost like $1. And damn, like, I'm going to do a close-up of what this looks like, because this is interesting. Like, one layer's up and one layer's curled down. I had never seen that before. So I'm going to put these on and I'll be back. So I just realized that my intro and outro didn't get recorded. So this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Anyways, yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye.